I'm about to gun your ass down, Santa Claus. Don't ever think for a second that I'm gonna use a fucking axe or even a crowbar. Those are the tools to get places. Those wasn't the tools of destruction. God gave me a gun, and Miranda fucking's gonna use it. I'm Miranda. What is it, you guys, and welcome back to the channel, and happy December month. It's chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Peep the sweater. Watch out, gang. Peep the sweater. Right. Very festive. It's getting very festive. It's getting very Christmas spirity. Start off the month of December. I didn't know what to play, so I said, fuck it, let's play a scary Christmas game. You get the vibes. So I found an old game called Sleigh and we're gonna play Sleigh today. By ourselves. I don't know if you remember the last video, but I kind of sort of hinted at, being able to work on it. I'm scared, but hey, I'm prepared first. Let's go ahead and jump into it, Sally. Christmas Eve, and I'm still taking my clothes off in this horrible town for money. Oh, stripper. Well, I better deliver Billy's present before it gets too late. I wonder if he even remembers what I look like. He hasn't seen me for months. Not since he went to live with his father. Why'd they have to take him from me? Because you're a stripper, baby. I would have took you from me too. I would have took him from you too. Snatched his ass right on up. I'm not done. I miss my little Billy. Billy Willie. Oh, okay, stamina. Fuck you, alright, China. Bitch, that say peep show. Oh, this is your job. Hello. We really need the Avengers. There's no way it's a hooker standing on the street and a man. It's Christmas, guys. Ain't no way. Alright. Just wonder what was gonna happen. Alright, let's go find little Billy. There's no way I'd have been out here living in this city. I would have took Billy ass too. It's a whore on every road. And you're one of them. I'll just leave the present here. I doubt they'll want to see me right now. Who gives a fuck what the parents feel like? Bitch, you're here for Billy for Christmas. I better get home before it gets too late. I don't want to be out here after midnight. Merry Christmas, Billy. Crazy out her damn mind. Bitch, I would have been right. I would have. Let me in! It's me, Miranda! Billy's fucking mom? Alright, Miranda, where do you stay, girl? Hey, can you help me get home, sister? Look at this shit. This is a terrible town to stay in. If y'all gonna take them, just make sure y'all live in fucking better. You stay at the apartment complex across the street. You're not living any better than me. Officer, I wonder what's going on up here. I won't be getting home this way, I guess. I'll have to go through the subway tunnel. It's not that much further. Bitch, there's no subway here. Anyways, hello, officer. What's going on? I live right there. Can I get home? What happened to the cute, chirpy Christmas music? Tasty burger. A map of the fucking world. They're definitely in New York. You're in New York, girly. Bitch, is beginning? He's been disemboweled. What sort of maniac would do such a thing? I better get back here before whoever comes back. It's too fucking dark in this subway. Can I just take these off? Oh! Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. Oh shit! Bullshit, bro. They fucking knew it and it fucked me up. Okay, okay. It's very quiet all of a sudden. I wonder where everyone is going. Bitch, in the house where they died. They make this shit a labyrinth, bitch. I don't know how to get her ass home. Arrgh. Why do they have to keep locking this gate? I'm so close to getting home. It looks damaged. It might be able to break it down with something. But what you got in your goddamn hand? I wouldn't rest. I'm scared. Okay, let's turn sensitivity back up. How many hits do it take to kill a man? That's some bullshit. You gave me no fucking strength. Are you a stripper or not? How do you have an eviction notice right on your fucking door? It's bitches like you. It's people like you. The help on the ground dead. All the help. Is that a gun or something? What? He's fucking strong as fuck. You're a bitch. Do you fucking know that? Me or Billy. You kill Santa. Merry Christmas. Like, bitch, why would I ever go for the fucking axe, bitch? I'm going for the gun. I'm going for the gun. You're getting gunned down. Oh God, I'm never finna go for no fucking axe. Not on fucking Halloween. Not on goddamn Christmas. You're getting murked and you're getting murked. I was a pussy. But I did it. But I was a pussy. I'm about to gun your ass down, Santa Claus. Don't ever think for a second that I'm gonna use a fucking axe or even a crowbar. Those are the tools to get places. Those wasn't the tools of destruction. God gave me a gun and Miranda fucking's gonna use it. I'm Miranda. But anyways, as long as our Santa Claus is like that, we're pretty good. In this same situation, I don't think I'd be able to do it. Alright guys, well thank you for tuning into the video. I really hope this is a good start off to Christmas. I'm literally gonna try to drop this on December 1st, and I'm gonna try to play a bunch of Christmas shit. So if you're seeing this and it's December 1st, throw some Christmas suggestions, some games in the comments. If not, I'm probably just gonna play some scary shit and some regular standard shit. You're just gonna get whatever you can get. I'm gonna try my best to look, but I'm not gonna look too hard. Alright, deuces, say hello.